Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So on this weekend, we violated that previous swing low here at $35 and 62 cents. And that obviously negates the possibility that we had here a local low, or where we had a local low, but that this was the end of the correction. I also never said that we had the end of the correction. I always told you that to confirm that this could have been the end of the overall correction, we would need to see significant price action above $48.41, which we never saw. So this would have been confirmation. Until we see this, primary expectation remains that we continue to be in a downtrend, and we see this work out at the moment. Yeah. So I told you already when we came down here that it could very well be that this fifth wave here in white is an extended wave. And that is exactly what is happening here. We're seeing an extended wave to the downside. And the question is now, in which kind of subwave are we of this wave 5? And to be honest, in my opinion, we haven't seen the wave 3 yet in pink. Yeah. So as I said before, we would need to get normally, yeah, and that is the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. That is not 100% must, but you know, in these markets it's all about probabilities. But it really is very, very likely that in this wave 3 that you can see there in pink, we would need to reach the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level, and that is at $24. Now we have only come down to $30, which already is very much in line with my primary expectation, but I don't think we have seen the low yet. As I said, as long as we're not making higher highs here, we haven't ended the downtrend. Very, very clear. Yeah, very clear message here. And ideally, as I said, in that wave 3, we want to reach $24.20, roughly $24. Yeah. So as I said to you earlier in the video, we could expect a bit of upside, which we saw. We didn't quite get here, not yet at least, to the wave 4 target area. That would be the area between the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, but I need to do that. Let me just double check that. Yeah, no, it's pretty much okay. So between $35 and $38, pretty much, that is where we expect the wave 4 to get into. This is the area with the highest likelihood. The minimum the wave 4 needs to do is the 23.6% Fib level, which it did. So usually a wave 4 doesn't retrace that much. And yeah, pretty much it did what it needs to do so far. We've already seen a strong reaction now to the downside. However, we don't get confirmation that wave 4 is complete until we break that $38 low here from today, that wave 3 low. Could very well be this was an A, B, C. Yeah, basically looks like a flat pattern, which is fine. Yeah, it could be the wave 4, but we don't really get confirmation until we break $31. An indication that it's over would already be a move below $31.30, but that's very close to $31 anyway. So yeah, this is what we are waiting for now. My view is this could have been wave 4 already. Markets are very weak at the moment, and we already see a strong move down. But yeah, this is guess until we see confirmation, really. So could be wave 4 is already done. Yeah, minimum has been reached, but ideally we would expect the 38.2% Fib level until we get confirmation that the wave 4 is done by moving below $31. Okay, and then we would expect that wave 5 down here, and then we would expect that thingy here to go to $24 and to finish off wave 3 in pink. That is currently how I see the market here. This is currently how I see Solana. And yeah, so far we are continuing to be in this downtrend. It might be worth extending maybe here this channel out a little bit. That can give us an indication for the future for support and resistance levels. Yeah, could very well be that, what did I say, $24, you can see that it would reach that channel support perfectly when it moves down here to round about $24. So that would hit it perfectly, 24.25. Let me just double check with the Fib extensions again, but that would work out pretty well. So 1.618. 1 second. No, did I make a mistake here? Yes, I made a mistake. 1 second. Took the wrong wave. Yeah, don't do it 100% accurately now, you know, but yeah, around about $24, $25 would hit perfectly here, that support level of the channel. So looking forward to that. And if we extend the channel further, it can give us an indication of support and resistance going forward. But the next wave down we would expect to hit support again. So yeah, looking forward to that. And then we can expect a wave forward to the upside, pretty much like what we did here. Yeah, retracement to the upside, and then a last wave 5 down. And this pretty much at the moment works out pretty well with around about $20, I think. So this could be a very likely target, especially as I said before, the $20 level, if we go back to what we did in 2021, we had here quite a bit of support around the $20 range. Down here you can see that with that wave 2 low. And maybe let's take a look at the VPVR as well. What does the VPVR tell us? There is not a lot. There is not a lot. So key support, key historical support was around the area of $43. We're way below that. Here all the way down to pretty much 25. Yeah, there is still a little bit of historical volume. Below that we have a black hole. This would indicate there's another small spike around $15. So let's see. However, those significant swing lows usually act as support as well, and that is sort of in the region between $19 and $21. So at some point we do expect here that overall correction to be finished. Bear in mind, we are still above the 88.7% FIB level. You can see that here, just below $30. I had a few questions. Why am I not worried about Solana dying? Just purely because I cannot see it at the moment. Solana is still holding much better than many other altcoins. Yeah, many altcoins have dropped below that 88.7% FIB level. If I look at Filecoin, that is so far away from the 88.7 on the downside that I'm really worrying about Filecoin, for example. But yeah, just let's look at Gala, for example, is another candidate. Talked about AVAX, yeah. So all of them, not talking about that they are going to die, maybe one day, right? But any move or significant move below that 88.7% FIB level is not healthy. And even if Solana moves to $20, I mean, this is Solana's first wave too. ADA in the last bear market also moved below that level. So I'm not particularly worried about it, also because the chart structure looks okay. Yeah, we moved up in a clear impulse. This can be counted clearly impulsive, which the Solana chart can't really. I mean, it can, but it doesn't look great. And what comes down here is correction. Looks really good. It looks corrective. When I look at AVAX, yeah, it comes down very impulsive, to be honest. So that is sort of the difference. Therefore, Solana, I'm not worried about it at the moment, not from a chart point of view. Now, that could change should we really drop below $20, for example. But at the moment, I have no reason to believe that from a chart point of view, I have a reason to worry. So there is no reason. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.